What's up? Mary had a little lamb. Let's do it. This song is nice and simple. Might not be easy, but it is simple, which is good. And it's all on one string, our fifth string, the B string. And we only have 3 notes to worry about. And those 3 notes are our 5th fret, our 3rd fret, and our 1st fret, all on our B string. And we play it like this. 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 5, 5. 3, 3, 3. 5, 5, 5. 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5. 3, 3, 5, 3, 1. And we want to make sure we play it the same way we sing it, like this. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. So yeah, singing along or humming along helps us know if we're playing it right, you know? Cool. Practice that one and you'll be one step closer to becoming an awesome guitarist. Take it easy.